Hello, in this video I want to show how to download and install the FODB database. I assume that you already has reached my database, for example on the web page of my database, the first one where you can read why I developed the database, what my intentions were, and what is frustrating me, and I hope is not anymore frustrating you as well. If you do not want to read all this, you can just scroll down and click on the download button. If you do this, you come to a decision area where you can decide if you want to help me with a little donation, or if you want to watch ads for 10 minutes and then enter the alphanumeric signs that pop up. But at the moment, the decision here or this commercials decision is not available until I have a sufficient sponsor who gives me a video I can enter or merge alphanumeric sign. But if you click on this add sign, you reach the commercials decision, and usually you would see here a video where numbers and letters pop up, so you can then enter the numbers and letters in the solution field, enter your email and just submit. If the solution is correct, you will be redirected to the final download area. But if you want to donate, which I hope you want to do as well, you come to this pay decision area, and you can choose either between the Ford banking or bank transfer direct, where you can choose the amount you want to donate, starting with 10, entering your name over here, and choose a bank transfer type. It's just a legal thing you have to choose between none or bank transfer or Sofortüberweisung. It's both the same. And if you do so, for example this, and let the currency to euro or US dollar, you can, if you want, add your email address as well. This is helpful if something goes wrong, which we don't hope. Then I know where to send the copy of the latest version. But it's not a must to send the email address. If you click then next, you are redirected to the usual support banking pages where you can enter your account credentials, and then the support banking is done. You see the success page, and finally the download area as well, which looks like this. And on this final download area, you can choose between your versions you need, Ubuntu or Windows. These both here are deprecated. These are for Ubuntu 18.4 or 04 and 04, and Windows 8.1, but I have also Windows 10 for AMD. The current version is August 22 or 2022, and in this version I added the optional 37 were clauses you can now add to the normal were condition, and it's extreme performance tuned, especially regarding small queries and frequent queries. And the other version I'm at the moment supporting is the Ubuntu 20.04 on Intel. If necessary or really wanted, I can compile it for AMD as well, but then I have to build up a whole operating system, and I only do this on request, you can say. Yes. For that, for example, it would be good to have an email so we can communicate with each other. Another option to communicate with me is, of course, here the Impressum contact in the main menu. if you go to categories and then here the lowest menu is impressum contact. But yeah, I assume that you want to download and install, and that's why we just do this here for Windows, because we are in Windows now. You click just on the download button and download the zip file, copy the zip file to somewhere to some folder you want to, for example here test 01 and extract it here. Of course you will be asked for a password, but the password is written here as well. It's this one here. You can copy paste it, but if you want to copy paste it, you have to copy paste it into a normal text file first, like this, and then you can recopy it and enter it here. To extract it. Bloop. And when the folder is extracted, go to the release folder, sort by type, and open the graphical interface or call the command line version direct. But for now we want to open this. In Windows it's wise to at the first time run it as administrator, so antivirus or internet security software maybe pops up and asks if it should run this in sandbox or virtualized. Please click do not virtualize anymore or do not run in sandbox, because then the changes you do here do not take effect in the files on the file system. So and if you later want to measure performance, please make an exception for this folder so the exe files here can do their things. Otherwise antivirus and stuff always is checking what they are doing, and yeah, it's working, but it's yeah, dragging down the performance unnecessary. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. You have installed it successfully. You can now do queries to the tables. For example, select for these 4 columns from table 1 and where everything, and then you have it. Another example, row less than 10. Clear the screen, fire again, plop, less than 10. That's how you download and install the database. Download it, extract it with a password. That's it.